So hey everybody, Dave and I have almost recovered from our ultra marathon experience a couple days ago. Literally the last 2 days we have been in the room resting and just eating and replenishing our fuel stores. But we're doing much better now, and we're going to be heading out for a nice tour this afternoon. And it's really one of the first few days here that we've had that we have nice weather. It's nice and warm out today. We get the sun out, and I'm excited. So we're going to go see Memorial Hall, which we kind of saw a little bit of that earlier this week. And then we're going to go to a historical district with some temples and things, and maybe we'll get some good food and some other street called Dihua Old Street, which we're not quite sure what's over there, but I'm sure we'll get to find out soon enough.
And our Uber will be here in 1 minute.
Yeah.
So what are you going to say, Kim?
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
So how are you really feeling post-race, Dave?
I feel great. I think I could go run 4 miles today. I really think I could run 4 miles.
That's crazy.
You don't feel the same, do you?
No. So I don't even think we shared with everybody how we did. So how did you do, honey?
I ran 33.36 miles before I quit. It was a never-ending race, so the only way it ended was when you quit.
Right.
How did you do, Kim?
I ran 10 loops, which was what?
41.7.
41.7 miles, and we both we feel like we did better than we anticipated. And
We're satisfied.
Yeah, we're really excited. So guess what we did?
I'll tell them. There's a race in Malaysia on February 8th.
Yeah.
And the registration was closed. So what did I do? I contacted them to see if they would allow us the privilege of late registering. And you know what they said? Yes.
Yeah.
So we're registered for a race in Malaysia.
I don't know what the hell he was thinking, but I'm along for the ride. So I guess we'll do this additional race. We only have like a month to prepare for this one.
We're already prepared. If we were prepared for yesterday, if we were prepared for this race, we're already prepared for the next one.
Oh my gosh.
It's not like we have to prepare.
So I tell you, I mean, I was pretty darn sore. I think I was more sore yesterday than the day before. And he had me moving around the day before, the very first day after the race. I was doing better, so I was going to get the food and stuff from outside the hotel.
Yeah,
but yesterday he was on food duty.
Yeah, I'm all set now though.
But our surreal motel, I'm going to tell you, Dave, you did a good job in picking that place out, because even though it's kind of kinky and a little strange, it does have the spa, and we have been using that spa to soak our legs, and we had a sauna
and a huge bathtub.
Yeah, it was really good
and
after the race.
A super comfortable bed. Like it was good. Like it was a good hotel.
So we enjoyed the last 2 days. We really took it and took advantage of the spa and everything that we had there in the room, and it was a really good idea.
So if you want to take a chance and have an experience, I'll give Kim the link and she'll put it down in the description. If you're coming to Taipei, I mean, it's a little different, but it's worth it.
Yeah, we enjoyed it. You know what, Dave? I think the last few days or so of the cold weather, that was a benefit to us for our race, because it's warm today, and us running in this weather, I think that would have impacted us quite a bit.
Well, we'll find out at the next race.
Oh.
Although the next race starts at 2 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, wow. Well, that'll be interesting.
Sure thing. It's beautiful out, isn't it?
It is. Hey everybody, this is
Hi.
Daphne. Yeah, and she's taking us on our tour today. So we're gonna go to the old town and we're gonna be taking the Taipei Metro. And oh, here we go. So you can actually rent umbrellas here. Pretty cool, right? In addition to bicycles. So now we're walking into the old town area, and this area is kind of like an uppity area. They've got some really beautiful like material stores and stuff here, good restaurants, and I'll go ahead and turn the camera around and kind of show you what's going on here. Lots of street vendors selling material. And oh, look at, we got goodies. Yeah, look at material everywhere. All right, so now we're entering Dihua Street, and they've decorated for Chinese New Year, and it's the year of the snake. So Daphne was telling me during Chinese New Year, what they do is they usually visit family and friends, and they'll bring gifts. And one thing they always bring is food. Food, they love to share food. Egg roll pancakes. And is it sweet? Daphne, is it sweet, those pancakes?
Not sweet.
Savory, more like...
Not savory, but not very sweet.
Okay. These are made out of potatoes. These are basic like cookies that the kids would eat. And what they do is they take them, they're like a sweet potato, and they fry them up. And then they package them and serve them like this.
Oh, good.
How was it?
Good. It's like a Frito.
Like a Frito?
Like a Cheeto.
Is it sweet?
Better than Cheeto.
How much is the bag?
Better than Cheeto.
Better than Cheeto. How much is the bag?
多少钱？120。这个地方可以这个就忘了。
真的吗？
看看好椒盐。阳光就好吗？Very good.
Very good.
赞。
Better than Cheeto.
You get us, Dave.
An original Taiwanese cookie.
Yeah, I want one. I haven't tried one yet.
She'll give you one.
Okay. Thank you. All right, so this is what they look like. They're not. They're more savory. It is. It's like a Frito-Cheeto combination. They're good. I'm going to try something called stinky tofu, and it is stinky. I can smell it from here. Your money bags there, dishing out his cash. Paying for the stinky tofu we're going to have.
Stinky tofu is 60 new Taiwanese dollars.
Which is how much?
Less than $2.
So they have two different kinds of stinky tofu. They have a steamed one and they have a fried one, and we're going to go ahead and try it now. So here we go. And that's what it looks like.
Taiwan kimchi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
from the
kimchi. Yum.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Yeah, actually just like the fried tofu with no texture, that's it.
So here is... Hold on a second.
So I volunteer as tribute, and I'm going to give it a try. Should I try the plain one, or should I get the one with the stuff on it? There's this stuff with seasoning. There's one with like a seasoning on it. See here?
Both okay. Or you
All
want
right.
some...
Does it matter? Okay. Whoops. I stabbed it. Ready?
No texture. Good, right? Yeah.
You like stinky tofu? First impression, would you buy it again?
No.
Oh. This one right here.
You're gonna taste there's like an underlying taste there that you can associate with the smell, but it has a flavor. Pretty good.
Oh, nothing wrong with this. This is good.
All right, here we go. Stinky tofu with chili sauce. I think I need that chili sauce to kill the aftertaste.
All right.
Come here. This is also very traditional that you can only probably find this a lot during the Chinese New Year time. So very traditional things. Have a try. I don't know how to explain this.
Are they sweet?
Yeah.
这花生粒的，来，
Like mushroom. White mushroom. This is also very traditional. Very traditional.
Ooh, those are good.
Buy that. During Chinese New Year, people buy
Those are good. They're like nutty puff balls. They're good. This is just super busy, super busy. So we're in this building right now, and the entire floor is full of all these different vendors, and fabric is just everywhere. You name it, they have it. It's incredible. I've never seen anything quite like this before. I mean, it just goes on and on and on, all the way down into the back. Samples everywhere.
Taiwan, we usually like to come to this kind of market. So here we call this like a warm meat because it's not frozen. This is very fresh. They deliver from the middle of the night from the farm to the market. Because Taiwan is small, so everything like a same day delivery. So usually we'll come here. If you want the best part, you just tell them please reserve something for me. And basically Taiwanese eat every part. Every part.
Wow.
And in Taiwan usually you'll see a lot of pork. We have many pork farms. Chicken, you will see a lot of chicken. Beef, only small. Yeah, so we import a lot of beef. And our beef town is down south. Yeah, but otherwise we see more pork and chicken.
That's a Taiwan avocado. Look at the size of this thing, an avocado.
Taiwan we have a pig and white.
Fish egg.
Yeah.
Interesting. All the
That's
fish.
called the silver fish. Small type, small one. Very small.
Wow.
Lantern decoration only for Chinese New Year.
This is cool. This is really cool. Wow. This is a Chinese pharmacy. Look at them mixing the herbs and stuff.
So
Amazing.
when you go to the doctor, they don't have the pharmacy, so you take your prescription, come here. These master, they know how to pack the medicine for you.
That is
This is
fantastic.
the traditional way. So one bag of traditional Chinese medicine, you need to bring back home, open it up, put in a big pot. So maybe they will tell you, okay, 5 ball of the water reduce to 1 ball
Yeah.
and can drink. So it takes time.
Wow.
And in Taiwan, we also have many Western hospitals also have the traditional Chinese medicine doctor. But
Okay.
if you go to the Western hospital for Chinese medicine doctor, they don't give you this. They gave you what we call science Chinese medicine. So instead of the ingredient, they give you small bag of powder.
Oh.
So some people say this is more effective. Some people say science is more effective.
Right, right.
But of course, powder is more easier.
Yes, yes.
But this is a very traditional way.
Neat.
This is the one type of mushroom we call monkey head mushroom.
Monkey head.
Monkey head.
Monkey head.
Monkey head mushroom.
This is also mushroom, not spongy.
Ah.
It's a white mushroom. Put like a sweet soup. Like
Okay.
So Taiwan is a very religion country, but our religion, the biggest religion is Taoism and Buddhism. Both majority people believe in both, but people will go to Taoism temple, especially during this time of the year. You can see here, the Taoism temple is a major. So I'm not sure if you guys see a lot of Taoism temple here. If you see the orange rooftop with the dragon, that's 100% the Tao temple. So Tao temple everywhere in the city. You probably walk 1 block, 2 block, you will see one smaller one. Buddha's temple in Taiwan, big one outside the city. Not many, so you need to go there specifically. So traditional Tao, we use incense to pray.
Okay.
Yeah, so the incense, the smoke is blessing, and you talk to God through the incense. So your wishes, your whisper to the God.
I see.
So incense is very important for Taoism, and usually we use R number only. So you either have 1 incense or 3. We don't go like 2 or 4. Yes. And this temple is Taoism. We believe different gods. So different God in charge of different things. Every temple is a different god. So this small temple, the main god in charge of this temple is we call city god. So city god, when the Taiwanese, when the people come here building the town, they asking city god to come along to help them, to protect them, which very successful. So this temple becomes super important for this area. Master here is coming. Thing, everything made by Taiwan artists. You can take a look. Every piece is different.
So you can rent a U-bike, and she stated that there's a bike path that goes all along the river. And so we've noticed the people of Taiwan like to be active. They're out running, they're walking, they're biking, they're exercising.